Hello and welcome to the 411 on making money online. Today in this video we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of online selling and the psychology behind it. Understanding your audience's behavior is the key to unlocking successful online sales strategies. So buckle up as we explore the psychological triggers, buyer behavior, and techniques that will elevate your online selling game. Why psychology matters in online selling. To get things started, let's address the fundamental question. Why is it important to consider psychology when it comes to selling products online? When it comes to the digital sphere, where face-to-face contacts are restricted, it is even more important to have a solid understanding of the psychological characteristics of your audience. Once you have a firm grip on what motivates your prospective clients, you will be able to modify your strategy to cater to their requirements and impact the decisions they make regarding their purchases. The psychology triggers in online selling. To begin, let's discuss the psychological triggers that affect people. These are the cues that are in the subconscious that cause a person to act. There are many different triggers that might have a big impact on the behavior of customers in the online selling environment. The presence of shortage is a potential trigger. As a result of customers' perception that a product is rare or in limited availability, a sense of urgency is generated, which in turn encourages customers to make decisions more quickly. Creating scarcity online. Now how you can incorporate scarcity into your approach for selling things online. It is possible to generate a fear of missing out among customers by presenting them with limited time offers, exclusive bargains, or highlighted low stock levels. This can encourage customers to make a purchase sooner rather than later. Through the knowledge of scarcity, the strategic use of this concept, it is possible to effectively generate demand and drive sales. Understanding buyer behaviors online. We will now go on to the next issue, which is buyer behavior. The experience of buying online is very different from the one typically associated with traditional retail, and it is essential to have a solid understanding of how customers behave in this digital environment. However, the power of social proof is an important factor to consider. Individuals tend to put forth their faith in the words and experiences of others. The decision-making process of a prospective purchaser can be significantly impacted by positive reviews, testimonials, and recommendations expressed on social media platforms. Okay, before we go to the next topic, I just wanted to take a moment to mention that I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. It's an excellent course if you want to learn more about YouTube and how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information regarding this listed below the description of this video for those that may be interested. It's totally free to check it out. Okay, back to where we were, leveraging social proof for sales. To leverage social proof effectively, encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews or testimonials. If you want to encourage customers to share their experiences with your product, you should think about creating a user-generated content strategy. Not only does this establish trust, but it also results in the formation of a sense of a community surrounding your company, which makes it more enticing to potential customers. Effective techniques on selling online. Now that we have that out of the way, let's look into some strategies that can help improve our online sales team. The art of storytelling is a powerful tool that can be utilized. Creating an emotional connection with your audience can be accomplished by constructing a fascinating tale around your product or brand. Human beings are naturally drawn to narratives, and this can be extremely effective. Crafting compelling product stories. When developing your product stories, you should center your attention on the problem that your product addresses and the ways in which it provides value to the lives of the consumers. Sharing real-life instances, testimonials, or even glances behind the scenes of your brand is definitely something you should do. This not only keeps your audience interested, but it also distinguishes your product from that of the competitors in a way that is easy to remember. Personalization in online selling. The use of personalization is yet another important strategy. Customers like having a personalized experience when shopping in a comprehensive online marketplace. Make use of data and analytics to gain an understanding of the preferences of your clients and then adjust your products and services accordingly. This strategy improves customer satisfaction and loyalty in a variety of ways, including using tailored suggestions, targeted marketing campaigns. Well, I hope you found this video valuable. If so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to press that subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content. And until next time, thanks for watching.